A journey of over 4,000 miles. Richard Lima, his mission to ride across the nation.
The bike is the conversation starter because everybody wants to know where I'm going.
Oh, beautiful morning!
The spark of this ride, though, based in raising awareness as he grieves.
I had no idea about mental illness or suicide until losing a loved one to suicide and doing this ride.
His loved one dying 3 months ago in the Sacramento area inspired this trek, stringing together the millions of Americans who've been touched by the same thing.
Across the country, everywhere I go, small town, big city, doesn't matter. Everybody's got a tie.
I kind of live with that guilt only because my son isn't here.
Working to destigmatize mental health conversations locally, Michelle Anderson and her husband Josh.
In my youth, there was a time where I had a lot of bad days.
As a teen, Michelle attempted suicide and survived. She never told her kids.
There was numerous times that I would sit to myself and think, well, maybe I'd be better off if I wasn't here.
But then they lost their 12-year-old son, Joshua Anderson Jr., to suicide in 2016, and it changed everything.
I wish I would have told him what I dealt with, so that I'm not saying he would be here if I did, but it would have opened my eyes and made me see what my son was going through.
He was amazing. He was the friend to everybody. He was the kid that wouldn't let you leave a room until you were laughing. And we found out after he passed that he helped people in the community without us even knowing.
The couple now runs the JJ's Hello Foundation, creating and donating these boxes to local schools.
You know, everybody says we shouldn't talk about it because, you know, we're going to put it in their head. Well, I didn't talk about it, and my son's not here.
The goal of everyone here is simply opening the conversation.
To let people know that there's help. We've got to get that message to people.
In Folsom, Aaron Heft, KCRA 3 News.
Lima plans to finish his trek across the country in the coming weeks at the Santa Monica Pier. Pretty incredible.